Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you uses of Google Ads. So where we can find Google Ads. It's a service of Google. First go to Google Chrome and just sign in a mail here and see here are some Google apps. Click here and there are many kinds of Google services. Here is Google Ads. Click here. Here written that their motto is grow your business with Google Ads. Let's check it how it works. Create your first ad and help customers choose your business. Google Ads makes it easy to show the world what unique about your business so you can reach customers searching for what you offer. It means your video will be show up as a advertise on another person's video. Let's press your start now. My Google Ads account is created with this mail by clicking start now. Okay, let's check how to use it. For using it you need a website or a YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel, so I'm showing you how to use it. Let's go to tools and settings and go to billing option and go to setting. Here you just need to add your bank account or any card account. They will charge you for how many dollar you wanna spend for showing your ads. Okay, how to run a campaign. For running a campaign you just click here new campaign and click here new campaign. For this you have to select which kinds of service you need. You can select sales. For this they will promote your product for selling. You can gather lead from them, you can gather website traffic, you can gather product and brand consideration, you can gather brand awareness and reach, you can gather app promotion, you can use their service, local store visit and promotion, and you can create your own campaign without any code. Okay, we wanna create our own campaign. Which kinds of our product? Let's display. Just click here, set your website link or video link, display name and continue it. So what is the benefit of Google Ads? As I know, to reaching to reaching to the traffic or population. If your video quality is good but you are not publishing or you cannot gather traffic, it will help you to reach you to the targeted traffic. For this, you just, there is a word called boost. You just boost with Google Ads your videos for your targeted traffic. It will helps you to publish your video for your targeted traffic. So use this service at low cost and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum.